Ito nako. For men. Tingnan mo kung open yung light. Yes. Okay. I-flash mo na ka. Oh! Ayan na sila. Grabe. Maliwanag ang daan, te.
So, mag-enjoy lang kayo.
Okay. Ano masasabi mo? Welcome to... Okay. Okay. Hindi mabasa dahil naka... Pamana Olympia? Is that?
Basta pamano rin.
Okay. Wow. Picture.
Bye.
Dito pa, oh. Yung mga kubo.
Ay, kubo. Noong kapanahon.
Okay. Solo nyo po ba dito, ma'am?
Yes, pwede sabihin.
Private nyo po ba?
Ano ko yan? Mga land ko na pinaparam ko sa mga katulong ko.
Mga katulong mo. Sana all.
Lahat na, napapagod na ako.
My God, ang damot. Private resort to, guys. Medyo parang almost ilang minuto to? Ilang oras? Hindi, I mean ilang oras biyahe mula sa atin? 30 pag nakamotor, no? Yan, 30 to 45 minutes po ang biyahe mula sa amin. Kaya ayan. Yan lahat po ng sasakyan namin, char. Yan po lahat kami. One family. So, ito po yung gusto nyo mag-rent ng one room. Yan. Mag-additional po kayo ng 1.5 up and down. Air conditioner na yan. Pero air condition na siya. Tapos the rest po kasi talaga meron silang mga rent. Mga nakatira po dito. Yan. Pero this one room is para lang talaga sa resort na to. I mean, private pool na to. Yan, guys. Nandito kami. Ang kinuha namin dito is overnight. So, 6 p.m. to 5 a.m. kami dito. So, ayan. No food or drinks in a pool daw. Oh, memo. So, malaki siya, guys. Solo nyo rin yung karaoke. Solo nyo yung car park. Oh, solo nyo talaga. Sa 7,500 po. Sa overnight. Pero pagka po daytime, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. is ano naman siya, 7,000. Private din po. 2,500 pa rin po yung up and down na room. Yan. So, let's enjoy. Yan ang mabilisang luto, adobo.
Yes, pang matagalan yan.
Relleno at pritong galunggong. At maraming kanin.
Yes po, may kanin pa ako.
Meron akong tinapay, syempre, guys. At yan, ang mga pulutan Kemenyenes.
Oo.
Nakain na sila, guys.
Dadami ako na maglalasing mo lang. Magtordo ko na rin. Ha?
Kumusta naman yung tubig, Papan? Ayos ba? Naku, pambata ka lang ba, Bibi? Ayan, ginusto mo yan, magyaya. Wow, kaya naman pala ni Kit-Kit eh. Eto ilang feet? Be, ilang feet? May libre silang pa wifi. Yung video ko po nila is 600 pesos. Pero hanggang alas 10 lang. If you over 10 p.m., you add 1,000 pesos per hour. Ay, malapit lang. Oh, talaga?
Ilan ba ta?
Ay, hindi, tinatanong ko lang. Kayo lang inaalala ko. Ayan po yung dagdag ulam, tilapia at bangus.
Strangers, family and friends. Yeah, you know who we're here to represent. Everybody in the club, get your hands up high for the girl of the hour, reaching for the sky. Lights up, camera on, the star of the show. Exit dials on the screen, watch the channel glow. A little bit naughty with a heart of gold. A loyal friend, a story to be told. Yeah, you're crazy, but that's what we love to see. Bringing laughter to you and me. Turn the bass up, feel the beat drop low in the club. It's the dance, time to let it go. She'll show you how. For example, living life loud. Yeah, we're taking a sample. This is your anthem. Let the whole world hear. Exit dials in the house, let's make it clear. Talking about fashion, setting all the trends, giving crazy advice to all of your friends. Then she's on a food trip. What's she gonna eat? From street style looks to a savory treat. Never dull moment, always something new. That's just the way she do, forever true. Turn the bass up, feel the beat drop low in the club. What's the dance? Time to let it go. She'll show you how. For example, living life loud. Yeah, we're taking a sample. This is your anthem. Let the whole world hear. Exit dials in the house, let's make it clear. From the screen to your heart, breaking every rule. She's more than just a channel, she's the definition of cool. So raise your glass, make some noise, let the whole world know. Let's get this party started, exit dials, let's freaking go.